Welcome back to Hello Fluent, your favorite channel to learn English. Let's improve your skills in a fun and easy way. Today we are going to listen to a new story. Remember, at the end of the story, there is a short quiz to test our understanding. Here we go.
Alibaba and the 40 Thieves. Once upon a time, in a small village in Persia, there lived a poor woodcutter named Alibaba. He worked hard every day, gathering firewood to sell at the market. One day, while he was in the forest, he heard the sound of horses approaching. Quickly, he hid behind a large rock and watched as 40 men, dressed as thieves, came riding by. The thieves stopped in front of a large rock wall. Their leader stepped forward and shouted, "Open Sesame." To Alibaba's amazement, the rock wall opened, revealing a hidden cave filled with treasure. The thieves entered, and the wall closed behind them. Once the thieves were gone, Alibaba came out of hiding. He was curious about the cave and decided to try his luck. Standing before the rock wall, he said, "Open Sesame," and just like before, the wall opened. Inside the cave, Alibaba saw gold, jewels, and treasures beyond his wildest dreams. He filled his bag with as much as he could carry and hurried back home. Alibaba shared his discovery with his wife, and they decided to keep it a secret. However, his greedy brother, Cassim, found out and insisted on seeing the treasure for himself. He went to the cave but forgot the magic words to open the wall. Trapped inside, Cassim was caught by the thieves when they returned. Furious at the intrusion, they killed him and left his body in the cave. When Cassim didn't return, Alibaba went to search for him and found his brother's lifeless body. He brought it back home and, with the help of his clever wife, managed to give Cassim a proper burial without raising suspicion. The thieves, realizing someone else knew their secret, planned to find and kill Alibaba. They disguised themselves as merchants and went to Alibaba's home. However, Alibaba's servant, Morgiana, grew suspicious. She cleverly discovered their plan and foiled it by pouring boiling oil into the jars where the thieves were hiding, killing them. The leader of the thieves escaped but was later defeated by Morgiana. Grateful for her bravery, Alibaba offered Morgiana freedom and invited her to live with them as family. From that day on, Alibaba, his wife, and Morgiana lived peacefully, using the treasure to help those in need.
Comprehension quiz. What did Alibaba discover in the forest? A. A hidden cave. B. A group of travelers. C. A magical tree. D. A river of gold. What were the magic words to open the cave? A. Open Sesame. B. Open Sesame. C. Abracadabra. D. Hocus Pocus. What happened to Cassim in the cave? A. He was trapped and killed by the thieves. B. He escaped with the treasure. C. He became the new leader of the thieves. D. He turned into a statue. How did Morgiana defeat the thieves? A. By pouring boiling oil into the jars. B. By locking them inside the cave. C. By calling the village guards. D. By setting traps in the forest. What did Alibaba do with the treasure? He used it to help those in need. B. He buried it in the forest. C. He sold it in the market. D. He gave it to the king. Congratulations! You have finished one more story. You are closer to learning English. In the description of the video, you can find the answers to the questionnaire. Remember to subscribe and give it a like. See you in the next story.